because you're the first. Okay, folks, section 11.4, it says combinations and probability. Now remember yesterday, we talked about two words, combinations and permutations. Can you remember the difference between combinations and permutations? What's the difference between them? Sarah?
So a permutation
Yep.
is something that can be in any order?
No, it can't be in any order. The order
Does matter.
matters.
And in a combination, it doesn't. Or I mean, what was the other one?
In a combination,
Combination, it doesn't.
the order doesn't matter. So think about this. This is what we were talking about yesterday. If we were having a race and we had the top 3 places, does the order matter? Yes, because you'd be first, second, or third. You'd rather be first. The order matters. Okay? But if I'm picking representatives, 3 representatives from the class, does the order that I pick them matter?
No.
No, they're just 3 representatives. Okay? So permutations is when order matters. Combinations is when order doesn't matter. Okay, so today we're talking about combinations and probability. A combination of a set of objects is a collection of them in which order is not important. We consider them all the same so we don't repeat them. Okay? For example, the combination of 2 letters taken from A, B, C, and D are AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. But wait a minute. What about BA? That's a combination as well, right? But they didn't put that one up there. Why? Paris?
Because
AB is the same combination as BA. So order doesn't matter, right? So I don't count it twice. And then they put that note right under here. It says the combination AB is the same as BA. So we don't rewrite it. We don't count it. Okay? Now let's look at example number 1. And we'll have to do this on our quiz. We'll have to make a chart like this. Okay? I'm sorry guys, if you didn't finish copying that, we can go back up to it in just a bit. Or you can also look at it tonight and just pause it, because I will wait there as long as you'd like me to. Online. But live, I have to keep going. So here we go. Example 1 says there are 6 people in your group tour who want to go rafting. Okay, now there are 6 people in the group that want to go rafting. You decide to take 2 rafts with 3 people in each raft. Okay. How many different groups of 3 can go in raft 1? So I'm looking for raft number 1, and we can fit 3 people in there. Does the order in which they sit matter? No. Okay. So we're looking for combinations. We're not looking for permutations. Okay. So it could be ABC, ABD. Do you see how I'm doing these? Or ABE. Or, it can also be ABF, right? Because we got, this is the first person, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, here's how we can order them. Now, we can have ACD, ACE, or ACF. All right, so we're done with those, writing those out. We can have ADE and then ADF. Do you see how they're going through the list here? You see how they're doing this? All right. And let's see, the last one is going to be AEF. Now watch this. Do you see that there were 4 before I changed? And then in the next one, how many were there? 3 before I skipped. And then the next one is what? 2. And then I skipped. And then 1. All right? Okay, before I'm done with the A's. Now I'm going to look at the B's. You didn't need to know this. You don't need to know this over here, Sarah. I'm just saying, isn't that kind of neat? Okay? Now, I've done all the possible combinations with A. But that's only 2 people. I need a third. Who would you like the third to be? You said AF. Well, I've done F, but I have to have 3 people in there. Not 2. Right? So A and F are 2. Is there a person that I'm missing? You're saying, why don't I keep going?